This video is going to talk about pyramids and prisms. The basic thing that you need to know is that pyramids have a sharp tip at the end. Prisms have a base, and that base is generally extended out, and then there are connections made between the two bases, the front and the back, and you can see those here. The first thing that we're going to talk about is a triangular prism. A triangular prism has a triangle base. You can see the triangle base here, and here, and here, and here. And you can see that that triangle has essentially been stretched out, and then it's been filled in the middle with the same shape. It could almost be like a stack of cards that are all in triangle shape. A triangular pyramid, on the other hand, has a triangle bottom or top, depending on whether or not you want to flip the shape upside down, but it has a triangle base, and then from that base, the lines move all the way up to the center to connect in a sharp tip, like an Egyptian pyramid. Rectangular prisms have a rectangular base. You can see the rectangular bases here. And then that rectangle has been extended back, and there are connections that have been made between each of these. These are all rectangular prisms. A rectangular pyramid, on the other hand, will have a rectangle bottom base, and then the side bases will actually be triangles because they will come up from the rectangle base to meet in a center point. Something that's interesting to know is that this is a rectangular base. They're all rectangular bases, but three of these, which are these three right here, could actually be called square pyramids because they have a square base. Remember that a square is a rectangle. Here we have a pentagonal prism. A pentagonal prism has a pentagon base, which means five-sided base, and then, just like that stack of cards, it's been extended out. And you can see that the bottom and the top are the same, and they're all connected. The pentagonal pyramid has a five-sided bottom base, or, wherever the base happens to be, and then all the bases join up at the top, or the bottom, if you flip it, so that there's a very sharp point. You'll notice that even though this is a pentagonal pyramid, all of the sides are still triangles because it has the part that's connected to the base and then the two sides that reach up to that corner. So again, we have pyramids, which have a sharp tip, and then we have prisms, which is one base that is extended out a certain distance.